Hi everybody and welcome back to Like a T6. It's been a long time since I did my last video, but it's been a bit of a lockdown situation. I'm down in Kent, so it's been tier 4. We've had Christmas coming up, new jobs things going on. So I've not done any reviews or anything for a little while because I've not been out in the van, to be honest. So it's the first time I've been in the van for a long time other than just nipping to the shops when I'm allowed to pick up essential goods. So I've not been anywhere at all because Kent, as I say, has been locked down, and it looks like today and the last hour or so the whole country's gone into lockdown. But yeah, what I want to do today is going to be showing you a quick review on something that I saw pop up and on a forum, and I thought I'm going to have to get one. So we're going to be doing a review today on this little bad boy, which is a fire pit, and I've wanted one of these for ages, and we're going to give it a go tonight with the kids and do some marshmallows and see how it goes. It's a really tiny portable one. I'll take it out of the box, show you what it's all about. And that's it. That's the little bag that comes in. This was $17.99 from Amazon, and reviews look pretty good, to be honest. The only things I kept saying is the box was a bit of rubbish, but I ain't bothered about the box. So let's just take this out. So simply in the box, you get 4 top tubes, and you get 4 legs. So I'm going to put them together. Start putting some on already, and these are for the top. Put them ones on. 1, 2, 3, 4. I must admit, there was a bit of faffing with the legs and getting it all together, but actually, the heat from this little thing is brilliant. The only thing I'm worried about is the fact it's going to get holes in it in about 2 minutes, and cleaning it up is going to be a pain. But it's next day to worry about. Maybe it'll just, the mesh might brush off, but you've got to get all that back in to that little bag. But the kids are going to come out in a minute, and we're going to do some marshmallows. So yeah, that's what it looks like after. Not bad at all, really. I thought it'd be disgusting, but it's just tiny little bits of ash. So yeah, well impressed. And when you move it around after, you can literally fold it down a bit and put it somewhere if you need to, if you want to get it out of the way. But yeah, really sturdy. Really happy with that. $17.99. You can't go wrong with that. Great bit of kit. That's going to be coming with us on our next camping trip whenever we can get out of this stupid tier 4. I'll just give it a little brush with one of these, and I'll tell you what, it is clean as anything, and that'll go back in no problems. No residue or anything from that, and that is just with a real quick brush. So I'm well pleased. That'll get packed away and put in the van for another day.